Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Adobe Reader your default PDF viewer on Windows PCs. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like it and subscribe to Geeker Mag. So let's jump right into the desktop screen. You can see that Microsoft Edge is the default PDF viewer on my Windows 11 PC. Whenever you install Adobe Reader on your PC, it gives you the option to always open PDFs with Adobe Reader or similar message like this. If you missed that, don't worry. Simply open the Adobe Reader. Under recommended tools for you, you will see this option. Always open PDFs in Adobe Reader. Click on the Set Default button. You will see Select a Default App dialog. From the list, select Adobe Reader and then click Set Default. And you are done. Now you can see my default PDF reader is Adobe Reader. In case due to any reason if this method isn't working for you, then try another method. Click on the Start button and select Settings. Switch to Apps. On the right side, select Default Apps. In the search box, type .pdf. So default application will appear. It's H for now. Simply click on it. Again, default app dialog will open. From the list, select Adobe Reader and then click Set Default. From now onwards, your PDF files will open in Adobe Reader. And this is how to open your PDF files with Adobe Reader. I hope this helps. If you have any query related to the video, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.